Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert any video into cartoon video for free. Let's get started. You can open your browser and just type on your browser is ailab.wondershare.com. So this is the start page. Expand your creativity with AI. So you can edit image, video in here with AI. So you can tap this explore more and then try to search the a cartoon, this one, AI generation, a video cartoonizer, this one. So you can tap this and then you will go directly into this page. Sorry, this one. So this is the real video before cartoonize, and the output is here after cartoonize here. So you can add your own video by tap on local files here. So your video will be cartoonizer by AI Lab. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.